In this video, we're going to learn about the geometry properties in Designer. To understand how best to work with geometry, it is often important to interrogate the details of geometry. There are a number of tools we could use in Designer to gather the information we need about these properties. Let's take a closer look. There is one command which is available in the same location on every command ribbon, and that is Edit Properties. Selecting this command will give you options for selection. If we hover our mouse over the part, we can see the selection highlighted. The options for selection are for information about the elements, the faces, or the edges. For now, I will use the elements selection with a left click. This will give me a window which gives the details of the geometry I have selected. From here, I can change some of the attributes, like colour or transparency. It also gives me useful information about the geometry. If I edit the properties of an individual face, I can manually change the colour. Changing the colour of geometry is often used automatically by commands in Designer to enhance the user's understanding of the geometry. The icons in the structure tree also show useful information about the geometry. To see this, look what happens to this icon when we use the Dissolve Body command. Select the geometry, right-click to confirm. This geometry is now made of many sheet bodies, each one being one of the faces of this model. To revert back to a solid body, use the Sew Sheets command and click Select All. Right-click to confirm, and right-click to exit the command and see the structure tree. Let's finish by looking at a quick way to find geometry information without entering a command. There is a function called Dynamic Query, which when turned on shows the properties of the geometry which is under the mouse. Turn on Dynamic Query, hover your mouse over the feature. Here you can see that this is a cylindrical face and we now know its radius.